Brinda più in grande. Prosecco Doc Rosé. Osa in rosa.
Your love is lifting me higher than I've ever been lifted before. So keep it up, quench my desire, and I'll be at your side forevermore. You know your love is lifting, keep on lifting, yes, it's lifting me higher, higher and higher. Disappointment was my closest friend, but then you came and it soon departed, and it never showed his face again. You know your love is lifting, keep on lifting, yes, it's lifting me higher, higher and higher. I say your love is lifting, keep on lifting. Higher and higher, keep on lifting, higher, higher and higher. You know your love, keep on lifting, higher, higher and higher. Your love is lifting me higher, lifting me higher, higher and higher. Lifting me higher, higher and higher and higher. I'm so glad I finally found you. Yes, that one in a million boy. And now with my loving arms around you, I can stand up and face the world. You know your love is lifting, keep on lifting. Higher and higher, say your love, keep on lifting, higher, higher and higher, keep on lifting, higher, higher and higher. Know your love, keep on lifting, lifting me higher and higher.
Il nostro partner non ci fa perdere un giorno, non si ferma nemmeno sabato o domenica. Esige molto e sa sempre quello che vuole. Per questo non ci siamo fermati un attimo. Si chiama natura. Però ci dona la gioia di creare qualcosa di inimitabile, che quest'anno vogliamo dedicare a chi ha l'Italia nel cuore. E ora ripartiamo tutti. Di slancio. Prosecco Doc. A chi ha l'Italia nel cuore.